Hello friends, I hope everybody's doing well. Okay, so this week I received 4 more stickers from some really fine friends of mine here. And first we're going to start off with Dick's Small Engine Repair, right here. Obviously he does small engine work. Right now on his latest video, he did a really good, thorough carburetor cleaning video, and he also digs pretty deep into engines. Like, he'll rebuild an engine, and he's very thorough. He's a very good guy. He's a very good friend of mine. So check him out. In the descriptions, I'm going to put down all the channel stickers that I got in, and then maybe then some. Next we have BraveHeart Scrapping. She hasn't been putting up many videos lately. She used to do a lot of live streams, but I guess, you know, after a while everybody has to cool it for a while. But check her out, and she does have some videos that she does, you know, stripping down stuff to be recycled. I'm sure he wouldn't mind me saying this, but Ali Mac, that's Braveheart's husband, and he does auto repairs, and he's very good at it. I watch him all the time. I've been friends with him for quite a while now, and he also does some small engine repairs, and he picked up some vertical vintage engines, and I believe on his last video he worked on a couple and he got one running. So check him out. He has a lot of good projects going on. That's what he does. He does mechanic, you know, he does auto repair for customers, and then he has his own projects, his own cars that he does. And I'll leave a description to his channel down below. Then we have youknowz, bro. He does like gaming videos, artwork. He does some scrap videos. He does anything that's going on around him. So he's pretty good. Check him out as well. Like I always say, it doesn't cost you any money to you know, check him out. If you like him, subscribe to him. Also, I want to give out congratulations to the Rusty Rooster. He hit his 1,000 subscribers a couple of days ago. So congratulations to you, Rusty Rooster, and keep up the good videos. Also, I just got word this morning that Rob's Small Engine Repair, he just hit his 200th subscriber. So today is Sunday, and I believe he's going to have a live stream. I think he's having a 200 subscriber giveaway. So check him out also. Maybe I'll put all 6 of who I just mentioned. I'll put all their links to their channels, like I said, in the descriptions. Okay, so right now, it's almost winter. It's late fall, and I'm doing the best I can to make videos because the weather most of the time is not on my side. It's been cold, rainy, windy, what have you. I usually like to have like 3 or 4 videos on standby. Right now I only have 1 video on standby. This coming week is supposed to be nice out, and I'm going to see if I can make, you know, 2 or 3 videos to have on standby. I usually like to put 2 videos out a week. Right now I'm struggling to just put 1 video out a week. So just bear with me. I'm hoping that we get some snowstorms this year, and then there will be some Gravely Tractor snow plowing videos I'll put out. I think that's about it right now. Well, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put these stickers up on the board here, and we'll go over. I'll just pan across all of the stickers that I have on the board right now. And you know, if you want to check their channels out, like I said, if you like them, doesn't cost you anything, subscribe to them. They're all really good people. Everybody I just mentioned, keep up the good work, keep up the good videos. Okay, so without any more talking right now, if I think of anything else, any more announcements to make, I'll let you know while we pan across the board here. So thank you everybody, present and past, who sent me stickers. Okay, so here is, I have to talk about him for a minute. This is Tinkering Taylor, Nev's Shack. Some of the areas in the UK have been having some really bad storms. I don't know what went through, you know, his property. I don't know if it was a tornado or a hurricane or what, but there was very, very high winds. It knocked some trees down, and he had quite a bit of damage. And he didn't have electric for about 5 days. But I'm glad, Nev, that everything's coming along. He does have electric now, and he got some kind of a cleanup crew to clean up all the downed trees and everything. So, yeah, my thoughts and prayers were with you the whole time. You know that, Nev. Okay, so, Big Dog, small engine repair here. He goes by the name of Henry Murawski. You know, it's Henry Murawski, Murawski. Because if you want to check out his channel, that's what he goes by. And then I'm just going to pan across the rest here, and if I have anything more to say, which I'm sure I will, I'll let you know. Congratulations again, Rusty Rooster, 1,000 subscribers. Keep up the good work. Okay, now we're down to this guy over here. Okay, so in my About page, my email address is there. If anybody wants stickers or wants to trade stickers, I don't care if you're a subscriber or just a viewer. Email me and I'll send you out stickers, or we'll trade. Okay, this sticker right here I'm going to have to mention to you. It's Big Son's Lawn Care. Check him out, because you really can't read. Unless you can, I don't know. I can't read it with my eyesight the way it is. Okay, and then we have Roger Mcdonald here. Mowers. He fixes them up and flips them, but he doesn't have a YouTube channel. But he's a very good supporter of all of our channels. And then we have Grampy's Workshop. There's 2 stickers on him. Okay, so Dick's Small Engine Repair. He does reviews on different products. I mean, I do them too. I'm not asked by some of the companies. I'll either tell you if the product is good or not. Now I have HIPAA after me. They're a small engine parts dealer. They want me to do a review. When I did the Echo carburetor, yeah, it was the Echo Pack Blower carburetor. They were about 7 days too late. I had already had the owner order a carburetor, but I'll try him. And I've noticed on some other channels they're after other friends of mine here to do reviews. So if you're they do watch our videos too. So if anybody at HIP is watching, as soon as I come across anything that needs a carburetor, I'll be in touch. Okay, so that's going to conclude our sticker shout out for the day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one, and stay safe.